Here, come over here. Come stand up. We'll do the rest of them so you can come stand right here. And then you can pick them out of the bucket and you can do them. Where's it go? Good job. What else? Pick another one. What color is that? Red. Where's the red go? Nice job. Good work. What color is that? Green.
It's green.
Red. Where's the red one go? Nice. What color is that? Red. Good work. She's so good. She hasn't gotten one wrong. Green. Nice.
Good job, Jordan.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Which ones are those that you have? Green.
Put the green on green. She likes that green. And then you have blue. Good job.
So good. High five. You got them all. You did all of them. Okay. You know what we have to do now is we have to pick them up and put them back in the bucket.
Jordan, pick them up.
Can you pick them up and put them back in the bucket?
No. Jordan.